Well, good morning. Welcome back to the Leaf and Briar channel. International Pipe Smoking Day, February 20th, 2026. Take you guys out here and give you a little peek. Winter Wonderland, boys and girls. That there, right there, that's my girlfriend's pickup truck. That's the highway. Those are the stairs to get there. We got, I don't know, 36 inches, 42 inches, something like that of snow on the ground. Icicles. That window's the smoking lounge. Hope you guys are all good. Getting ready to go to work and blow snow. Excuse me, that was disgusting. It's 21 degrees. And it's gonna be a fun day. Got the 4th generation Heritage Collection I Am Corona working this morning. For anybody wondering if these are worth the money, yes. Yes, it is. Bones Billiard. Enjoying some Star of the East flake this morning. Look at that winter wonderland, boys and ladies. Cheers. Catch you guys later.